Welcome to TPI, the global leader in test products.
Today we are taking a closer look at our Model 440 True RMS digital multimeter and oscilloscope. What I like best about this meter is the power of having a 4,000 count True RMS DMM and a 1 MHz oscilloscope in a single instrument. The 440 is ideal for problems associated with power quality.
And as with all TPI products, you can ensure that you're receiving a quality product at a great price with the added security of a 3-year warranty and a lifetime of support. So go ahead and test the TPI Advantage now.